What Does a Cowboy Do? By Jessie Blackwell. Who is a cowboy? A cowboy is a person who works with cattle. There were many cowboys long ago in the American West. Today, there are still some working cowboys. There are women who work with cattle, too. They can be called cowgirls. Cowboys feed the cattle and take care of them. What does a cowboy do? A cowboy or cowgirl does many kinds of work with cattle. They take care of the cattle. They ride horses to round up the cattle, to gather the cattle together and move them along. Cowboys take cattle to market. At the market, the owner sells the cattle. Trailer. What is a cattle drive? Long ago, cowboys rode horses and herded cattle along trails. This is how ranchers got their cattle to market to sell them. Sometimes it was a long trip that lasted for weeks. It was called a cattle drive. Now cattle are taken to market in trailers, pulled by trucks, or in trains. Hat, bandana, chaps, boot, spurs. What do cowboys wear? A cowboy's clothes help protect him from the weather. Most cowboys wear blue jeans, shirts, boots, and hats. The boots may have metal parts called spurs. Some cowboys wear leather chaps to cover their pants. Many cowboys wear bandanas. Cowboys may also wear gloves to protect their hands as they handle the ropes. What tools does a cowboy use? A cowboy needs a saddle to ride his horse. A saddle is a seat on a horse's back. A cowboy also needs a rope to catch cattle. Today, many cowboys drive trucks to carry food for the cattle. Hat, police officer. Is everyone who wears a cowboy hat a cowboy or a cowgirl? Many kinds of people like to wear cowboy hats. Some singers wear them. People in movies wear them. Police sometimes wear cowboy hats. Boys and girls sometimes wear them. Would you ever like to wear a cowboy hat? Barrel. What is a rodeo? A rodeo is a contest where cowboys and cowgirls show their skills. The events include horse riding, barrel racing, and more. A rodeo is one place to see cowboys and cowgirls in action. What would you like to see a cowboy or cowgirl do?